Welcome to our channel. Today, let's talk about how you can post a story on your Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the plus sign icon at the bottom of the screen and then select the story option. You can either capture a photo or video you want to share or choose one from your device's album by tapping the photo icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the photo or video you wish to add to your story. From here, you can enhance your content by adding effects, stickers, additional text for captions, or even a background music. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap the arrow button below and choose your audience. You can share your story with everyone or limit it to only your close friends. If your Instagram account is connected to Facebook, you also have the option to share your story there. Finally, tap the share button to post it to your story. Wait for the upload to finish, and that's it. Your story is now live for your selected audience to see. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.